know she like it for real. I'm a flyer like Aladdin on a pussy golden blessing. Why she did it? Cause she lied it. Whoa, something on my dick, I know she like it cause she like it.